My name is Jack McQuade. I'm a litigating attorney with the law offices of Mark Salomone. This case involves a slip and fall on snow and ice that occurred in an apartment complex in Holyoke, Massachusetts. My client, a young woman, was in the course of her employment. She was preparing a unit at the apartment complex for a new tenant, one of her clients, and was there to inspect the unit. As she was walking across the parking lot while it was snowing, she slipped and fell on treacherous ice beneath the snow. As a result, she suffered a fracture, multiple fractures to the ankle, the tibia and fibula bone of her left ankle, requiring 2 surgical procedures. She was out of work for several months, and she was left with a permanent injury. We uncovered evidence that established that the landlord and the maintenance company were responsible for this area and responsible for her injuries. First, we learned from one of the first responders, a fire chief who came with the EMTs, that this was an area that he had noticed on other occasions was treacherous with ice and snow during the winter months. And he had reported it to the management company on at least one occasion. That helped us to establish that they had notice and knowledge of the hazardous condition. In addition, we were able to reveal that the roof system above this area of the parking lot had no drain, no downspouts, no system for removing the water from the roofs. As a result, the water would just cascade down into this area right in the front of the unit and would form into this ice that became slushy by day, tracked with both foot traffic and tire tracks. Became very hazardous when it froze at night, and my client came along early the next morning and didn't see the hazardous condition beneath the snow, ended up suffering the fall. We were able to settle this case for a substantial sum shortly before trial.